Hi guys, and welcome. Today's episode is more for the advanced, I'm afraid. And I'm going to be giving tips on how to do the aerial, okay? So I'm going to be showing you cartwheel with 2 hands, cartwheel with 1 hand, and then tips on how to, from the 1 hand, get that aerial cartwheel going, okay? So I hope you enjoy it. I have been asked to do this one on various occasions, hence why I'm doing it today. So first things first, for the aerial, we're going to break it down from basics and start with a 2-handed cartwheel. With a 2-handed cartwheel, there's 4 main points to consider: takeoff, first hand, second hand, and landing foot, as I'm going to demonstrate now. So starting with your takeoff foot in front, you're going to put pressure on that takeoff foot and drive with that back leg. Point 1 here, foot goes down, drive that back leg up into your first hand, second hand comes down, and then you follow through onto your landing leg, which is the 4th point, and then you push up with your body, the second leg comes over. Moving swiftly onto the 1-handed cartwheel. Exactly the same thing applies as the cartwheel, but this time there's only 3 points of contact with the floor. So you've got your first point, which is the takeoff foot, and then the second is the hand, which will be longer on the floor this time as you haven't got the second hand connecting, and then of course your landing foot, as I would demonstrate here. So your first foot, your takeoff foot goes down first, and notice how I really drive my back leg up this time. My hand goes down and it's on the floor a lot longer until my second foot comes down, my landing foot, and then I push up. So first thing I want to teach you for the aerial is the skip step. This will just enable you to get the extra power and speed that you need to get up and over in your aerial. So starting feet together, you're going to step onto your non-takeoff leg first. The takeoff knee powers up into a hop step. You're going to come down on your non-takeoff leg first, followed by your takeoff leg, at which point your arms and your leg must swing up and push and drive you over. Notice how my front leg bends quite a lot in order to get that extra drive from that back leg and push you up and over. Okay, in order to get the aerial, first off I want you to then combine the 2 that we've just done, but putting our hands down. So we're going to do the skip step, followed by the powerful drive with your arms and your legs. So skip step here, push, drive that knee up, take off, arms swing down, back leg drives you up and over, and then I want you to just put your hands down at the last minute. This will just help you to get used to that skip step takeoff. So combining all the points we've learned throughout these tutorials, throughout the cartwheels, the aerial, the skip step, we're going to combine all those together and actually attempt the aerial this time, okay? So remembering what we've done, we're going to do the skip step first. We hop onto our takeoff leg, which we push up from, drive them arms and legs over into our landing. Okay, try to keep your legs straight at all times, and if you are finding it hard to go over the top straight away, then you can try to go around the side more. Okay, I'm just showing you another example. So you're going to hop step, you come down on that landing leg, push, take off, that back leg drives you up and over. It's so important to get that drive off the back leg. And remember, if you're not quite at this stage yet, take it back a few paces. Work on your 2-handed cartwheel, your 1-handed cartwheel, and just get those right before you go on to the next stage. These tips are just to help you, and this is my way of doing the aerial. Obviously everyone has their own way, so just find the method that best suits you.